Hey there, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today's video I'm going to be giving you a quick review on all the skincare products I recently purchased. So this is how it came in. It came in a box and I actually got these products before the hiking price. And the first product I'm going to be reviewing is the Simple Facial Wash. I really love this facial wash. The gel-like consistency and a little goes a long way. It really works for my skin and I got it for around 1,900. Then the second one, this one my cousin uses it. It has like some grainy particles. You need to apply a lot of it for it to actually lather. So I will not like recommend it, but if you want to try it out, you can also try it out. It was also 1,900. Then this scent Ives Blackhead Clearing Anti-Acne Facial Scrub. I've used this and I've actually done a review on it. Make sure you check out the video in the description box down below. Then the next one is this body scrub. I really love this body scrub. If you use this body scrub, you are going to lick your body literally. It smells really amazing and it doesn't have any grainy particle. Then this other one also has like this grainy particle. It has a strawberry feel. It's good for exfoliating dead skin. This cost around 2,000 while the previous one cost around 1,800. So you can actually introduce this into your self-care routine. Then the next one is the Dr. Rashel Vitamin C Facial Serum. I saw this all over my TikTok and Instagram and decided to buy it. I didn't like it, but I still use it currently and I use it mainly at night and it actually is quite affordable for 2,000 naira. It does the job. I'm already halfway from the bottle. The next one is the Dr. Rashel Facial Toner. I actually regret buying this product because the smell is just too conk for me. I do not like the citric smell that it has, but I'm going to be trying out the other Dr. Rashel products that I put on the screen, so just make sure you stay tuned for that review. So this is how all the products look like. Everything retailed for around 17,700 including delivery. If you're interested in the page I got it, I'm going to leave it in the description box down below. They actually sell things for affordable price, but right now there has been an hike in price, so everything that I said, the price has obviously changed. And this is the video on IG.
Skincare products haul. Spot your favorite and let me know. Facial wash 1, facial wash 2, facial scrub, body scrub, sugar scrub, face serum, face toner.
Which of these products are you interested in trying out? Let me know in the comment section down below and I will see you in my next skincare Sunday. Bye guys.